Very much for joining us today, and welcome to Algae-C. I'm Dr. Madhukar Scalan, and I've been building companies for the last 15 years with a focus on biofuels, waste remediation, feed, and advanced analytics. At Algae-C, we make drug ingredients. Our mission is to build a world where drugs are both affordable and accessible to everyone. A world where people don't have to choose between paying rent and paying medical bills. A world where people like my mother don't have to suffer from Alzheimer's because of a lack of drug options. 50 years ago, the demand for drug ingredients was skyrocketing, but producers were unable to keep up due to severe logistical challenges. And it was a single discovery that absolutely revolutionized the industry. A group of researchers figured out how to genetically engineer bacteria so that they could produce drug ingredients. This one tiny discovery enabled the industry to exponentially increase its supply of ingredients, such as insulin, and in doing so has been instrumental in growing the industry to over $250 billion per year. Despite so many advances in the drug ingredient sector, 80% of the global population still does not have access to the drugs that they need. The drug ingredient industry is now facing a new wave of challenges, which include unstable supply chain, rising prices, and decarbonization mandates. At Algae-C, we've created a single-step biomanufacturing process, allowing ingredients to be produced significantly cheaper, with little to no impact on the environment, and with a streamlined supply chain that minimizes risks. We're able to achieve these outcomes by simplifying the manufacturing process, where we go from a traditional multi-step chemical process to a single-step biological one, utilizing our genetically engineered algae. Our algae represent one of the first major leaps in biomanufacturing since the researchers made their discovery 50 years ago. We've assembled an excellent team, bringing together a diverse group of individuals that have built and exited companies across a range of industries. Our directors and advisors include both former and current C-suites for big pharma companies like Teva, Centriant, and Apotex. We're currently working towards having our first signed contracts with big pharma, which will generate $84 million in revenue. With Algae-C, you have an opportunity to help make drugs both affordable and accessible for everybody. But you also have an opportunity to be part of building a multi-billion-dollar company. To get there, we need three things. We need to have at least $75 million in annual recurring revenue, and we need to continue to build our IP portfolio and our world-class team, giving us a clear advantage over our competition. We're currently raising 10 million Canadian, which will be leveraged against 7.5 million in grants over the next 24 months. We have two large CVCs at the table in late stage due diligence, one of which is willing to lead the round, and we're looking to round out the round with another fund that either has biology or synthetic biology expertise. I want to thank everybody at Katapult and all of the investors that have attended today's session. We'd love to meet with you at our table afterwards.